want to assure you that the Presidential CNG Initiative steering committee and management are fully committed to helping to ensure the execution of the President's vision to transition Nigeria from expensive, unreliable PMS and diesel to cheaper, safer, and more reliable compressed natural gas fuel transportation.
Government rolls out 64 CNG buses to labor, student unions to ease transport issues. In a move to address transportation challenges, the federal government has delivered 64 high-capacity compressed natural gas buses to labor unions and student organizations. This handover took place at the State House in Abuja on Sunday. Government officials, including Information Minister Mohammed Idris and Finance Minister Wale Edun, announced that an additional 700 CNG buses are expected to arrive in the country soon. This initiative comes in response to the sharp increase in transportation cost following the removal of the fuel subsidies in 2023. The Tinubu administration sees natural gas as a key solution, aiming to convert over 200,000 vehicles and tricycles to this cheaper and more sustainable energy source. Labour representatives from the Trade Union Congress and Nigeria Labour Congress welcomed the government's effort, but noted that the current number of buses falls short of meeting the needs of Nigeria's entire workforce. For further updates, stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.